The rise of the Ottoman Empire and Osman Bey. How a small tribe became a global empire. The Ottoman Empire, one of the greatest and longest-lasting empires in history. But how did it all begin? How did a small Turkic tribe grow into a superpower that ruled for over 600 years? And who was the man behind it all? Osman Bey, the founder of the Ottoman dynasty. In this video, we'll dive deep into the rise of the Ottoman Empire, the life of Osman Bey, and the key events that shaped the destiny of the Turks. Stay with me till the end to understand how a single leader's vision changed the course of history forever. If you love history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories from the past. The world before the Ottomans, 11th to 12th centuries. Before the Ottomans, the world was in chaos. In the 12th and 13th centuries, Anatolia, modern-day Turkey, was a battleground. The mighty Byzantine Empire controlled the west, while the powerful Seljuk Turks ruled parts of central Anatolia. But everything changed when the Mongols invaded from the east. Key events: the Mongol invasion, 1243. The Seljuk Empire was weakened, and many Turkic tribes fled to find new lands. The Byzantine-Seljuk conflict. Christians and Muslims constantly fought over land in Anatolia. Turkic tribes on the move. Among them was a small but strong warrior group, the Kai tribe. This is where our story begins, with a brave leader named Ertuğrul Bey, the father of Osman Bey. Osman Bey, the founder of the Ottoman Empire, 1258. 1326. Osman Bey was born in 1258, the same year the Mongols destroyed Baghdad, the capital of the Islamic world. He grew up during a time of destruction and war, but he learned from his father, Ertuğrul, the importance of bravery, strategy, and faith. Osman's vision. He wanted to create a strong Muslim state. He dreamed of conquering Byzantine lands. He believed in justice, fairness, and protecting his people. When Ertuğrul Bey died, Osman took over as the new leader of the Kai tribe. But ruling a small tribe was not enough for him. He wanted an empire. The rise of the Ottomans, 1299 to 1326. In 1299, Osman Bey officially declared independence from the weakening Seljuk Sultanate. This was the birth of the Ottoman Empire. Key victories of Osman Bey. Battle of Bathius, 1302. Osman defeated the Byzantine army for the first time, conquering Byzantine fortresses. Osman expanded his territory by taking key towns. Smart alliances. He united Turkic tribes and gained the support of warriors from different backgrounds. Osman was not just a warrior, he was a visionary. He introduced new military tactics, fair governance, and Islamic law that made people love and respect him. This is why many Turkish and even non-Turkish tribes joined him. The legacy of Osman Bey and the future of the Ottomans. In 1326, Osman Bey passed away, leaving behind a strong and united state. His son, Orhan Bey, continued his legacy and captured the great city of Bursa, making it the first Ottoman capital. Osman Bey's legacy. Founder of the Ottoman dynasty. His family ruled for 600 years, expanded Turkish rule in Anatolia, laying the foundation for a great empire, built a just and fair Islamic state, gained the loyalty of Muslims and non-Muslims. Osman Bey's dream did not end with him. His empire grew into one of the greatest in history, controlling lands from Eastern Europe to North Africa and the Middle East. What can we learn from Osman Bey? Lessons from Osman Bey's life. Leadership and vision. He built an empire from nothing. Bravery and persistence. He never gave up, even against powerful enemies. justice, and fairness. He ruled with honor and respect. Even today, the story of Osman Bey teaches us that with vision, courage, and determination, anything is possible. The empire that changed the world. The Ottoman Empire started as a small warrior state, but under Osman Bey's leadership, it grew into one of the most powerful empires in history. What do you think was the biggest reason for the Ottoman success? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing historical stories.